Welcome to the Azam campus and Maharashtra Cosmopolitan Education Society. The campus is situated in the heart of Pune city, within a distance of 2 kilometers from Pune railway station, with an outstanding position in educational fraternity from 1948. Under the visionary leadership of Dr. P.A. Inamdar, President MC Society, and Mrs. P.A. Inamdar, Vice President MC Society, the campus has been catering to the educational needs of the socially and economically compromised classes. More than 26,000 students, with a large proportion of female students, are getting education in the campus. The campus has more than 25 educational institutions, a sports complex, hostels, conference rooms, assembly halls, and a community center. The campus has adopted green practices through composting, solar power, and rainwater harvesting projects. Abida Inamdar Senior College of Arts, Science and Commerce is one of such institutions housed in the campus, with more than 4,500 students. The college is headed by Principal Dr. Shela Butwala, and it has got A grade in two consecutive assessment cycles conducted by NAC. Apart from excellent academic performance with more than 50 university rankers in the last 5 years, the college is actively involved in large number of curricular, co-curricular, extension and research activities. The college has developed advanced scientific research laboratory with the grants received from the Department of Science and Technology under FIST scheme. Dr. Khurshid Ahmed, Head Postgraduate Department of Chemistry and Research Center, as the principal investigator, is the in charge of ASR, a group of young and bright staff members under his guidance are involved in various research projects. The Advanced Scientific Research Lab, located in the postgraduate building, is equipped with facilities for synthesis, purification, and analysis, thermogravimetric analyzer, microwave synthesizer, automated flash column chromatography, fuming hood for synthesis and handling of chemicals, class 2 biosafety cabinet for handling the normal and oncogenic cell cultures, carbon dioxide incubator for incubation of cell cultures, inverted fluorescence microscope with facility to take images through computers, refrigerated centrifuge for isolation of cells from media, microplate reader for recording absorbance for the study of cell growth assays, deep freezer for storing cell lines at minus 80 degrees centigrade, autoclave for sterilization, liquid nitrogen containers for cell storage, spectrophlorometer for fluorescence studies, and RT-PCR for amplification. Are the facilities sufficient enough for evaluation of anti-proliferative potential of synthetic and natural products? Other major instruments are gas chromatography instrument, high pressure liquid chromatography, PC based cyclic voltmeter for electrochemical studies, Fourier transform infrared spectrophotometer, and double beam UV visible spectrophotometer. The college is committed to the development of research environment amongst the faculty and students and offers instrumental facilities through consultancy services to other institutions. For any type of query regarding data analysis, please write to the following email IDs: asr-aisc@azamcampus.org, chemistry aisc@azamcampus.org. Thank you.